promoting other people's products every single day online. You can use Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads, or Google pay-per-click ads. Doesn't really matter. What matters is to have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way. Why do you think I can travel to over 66 countries now? 66 countries. And I'm not even 30 years old yet. Okay? Because of being super affiliate. Because being coachable, being someone who will not shy away of investing $10,000, $20,000, 5,000 euros into coaching, into mentorship, to help me, to guide me through step by step. Because I waste so much money before on freaking bullshit courses. Yes, bullshit scam courses in the past. Until I realized, heck, I need to have personal relationship with a mentor, with a coach, with someone who go around the world, who travel, who live this life that I want to live. Okay? So I made a decision. I said, heck, let's do it. So in 2025, you need to have someone who's going to help you and guide you along the way. There is no way around it. Like, you can waste time. You can say, oh, I'm going to do it myself. I'm going to save $500. Yes, I did this myself. I'm ashamed to say. I did it when I was younger. But now I got wiser. And I know if I pay someone money, they're going to help me and I'm going to be succeeding definitely, 200%. Much faster than if I just sit on my ass and do nothing at home. Okay? For my friends, for my family, for my father, for my mother, for my family, for my kids, for my grandparents, for anyone around me. It's the decision that you have to make yourself. And stop making bullshit excuses. Oh, it's too late. Oh, I don't have money. No, you have money, you have time. Okay? Just show you, if you spend $5 per day on Starbucks coffee, $10, in a year you spend $4,000 on alcohol, cigarettes, Netflix, Uber Eats, right? Coffee, tea, whatever, cola, right? All this income you're spending, all those money, it's vanished, it's gone. But you have only one life, one chance to make it happen. Okay? You have what it takes. You have what it takes. I believe in you. As you are you, I believe in you. If no one else, I believe in you. But you have to take action. You make a decision. This is my personal phone number. Yes, I give you a phone number. Which guru ever gave you a phone number? No one. No one. Okay? So make a decision now, as you watch this video, to take action, to change your life. Maybe not for you, for your kids, for your wife, for your husband, for your grandparents, for your parents, to give them dream life that they deserve. They deserve. Take action now. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you on the other side.